Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to change the width margin of a strip in your Wix website. First, open the Wix website editor and navigate to the page where you want to make adjustments. Next, click on the strip or section you wish to edit. This will highlight it and open an options panel. Now go to the stretch settings and enable the stretched option. This allows your section to span across different screen sizes for a responsive design. After that, click on the Margins tab within the stretched settings. Here you can adjust the space around your section by sliding the margin bar left or right to increase or decrease the width margin. Take a moment to preview your changes to ensure your content looks balanced across desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. And that's it. You've successfully changed the width margin of a strip on your Wix website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.